Hi folks, Jason here at Leisure Time Sales, taking a look at an Imagine 2800 BH. This one recently traded in, and really what a treat. 2019 version of this, probably one of our top, if not top, floor plans in terms of the number that we sell, popularity of the brand, of course, Imagine by Grand Design, very popular. Here at Leisure Time Sales, we're very happy to have the line. But the 2800 BH is just a beautiful example of kind of a very versatile camper, big enough that you can certainly set it on a seasonal lot, but light enough that you can tow it. Sits in at about 6,500 pounds. Outdoor kitchen, dual entry, great size awning, spans most of the unit. Take a look at that outdoor kitchen before we go inside. You've got a nice shelf here at the back to store a few things. You've got a 2-burner cooktop, and you've got a small fridge there as well to keep a few things cold on the outside. Spray port to wash everything down. Sold one of these to a gentleman who fishes, and he says it's great to get out here and clean the fish and throw them right into the pan and fry them up. So just an example of one of the great uses of the outdoor features of this unit. Heading inside, 2800 BH runs around 28 feet. The BH stands for bunkhouse, so we'll show you those in a moment. Sleeper sofa here, just as you come in on that nice big slide out. The slide out opens up so much space on the middle of the floor for activities. For those Step Brother fans there, you gotta have your room for your activities while you're inside. USB charger here, conveniently located by the couch, so you can plug your phone in there and get it charged up while you relax and watch TV. Drop down dinette. On this one, we'll create another bed. Very comfortable, actually, spot. My teenage son loves sleeping on these. Good size, nice and cozy little booth. You drop that down and put those cushions over top of it like Tetris, and you've got yourself another double bed to sleep in. But you may not necessarily need that, because you've got double over double teddy bear bunks here at the back of the unit, each one with its own window, each one with its own charging station and light. So nice cozy spot for the kids, or you know, mid-sized adults can comfortably sleep up in here as well. You've got a little storage underneath here if you want to throw a few tubs under there and get things out of the way, and of course the built-in ladder, which is a nice touch. Looking at the bathroom, corner bathroom unit on this one, very spacious, good floor space, foot flush toilet, spot there to fold your linens up, double-sized shower with the sliding door and a skylight. You get a window in the bathroom with the privacy shade closed right now. Spot to wash your hands, corner medicine cabinet, and good storage here as well. Heading to the front of the camper, we can't skip over the kitchen. Kitchen's got a little extender for the island here, so you can get a little extra prep space if you've got someone helping you cook, but you've got good counter space without that. 3-burner cooktop over top of the Furion range. Microwave above, and great storage. Love the details, the glass inlay here on the cupboards. Nice touch. Stepping back to take a look at the entertainment center. Got 2 nice storage units right below the TV, plumbed in entertainment center. Storage below, and of course the doggy dish spot underneath there as well, so you can keep your puppy happy and fed, and then close that drawer up and get it up out of the way. Full-size queen mattress in this one. Shirt closets on either side, storage above. There's your second door. Safe and convenient to be able to get in and out of the unit. Charging stations on either side, as well as drawers to keep a few things in, and you've got light above so that you can read at night. So beautiful unit here, 2800 BH 2019, Imagine by Grand Design. We don't see many of these come in. Folks that got into this one just wanted to get themselves into a couples camper, so having camped in this maybe a dozen times total. They've traded it in now. Little upgrade, a change in floor plan for them gives you the opportunity to get into a beautiful pre-owned unit. Rare, we can't even get these in new this year right now. Having a hard time getting them up from Indiana with the supply chain being what it is. Come on in and take a look at this one. Leisure Time Sales, Quispam Sis, our friends up in Moncton at Leisure Time Sales on Price Drive would help you as well. Looking to find a camper just for you. We're in the high point of the season, and we're looking forward to seeing you.